morning. This is Andy from Because We Nomad. And just having a beautiful morning, getting out here in the wild. Looks like it's gonna rain up there. Got Evie out on a walk. And for her morning walk. And it's a beautiful morning out here, but boy, that's looking pretty threatening over there. The dark clouds, you can see the rain coming down kind of up on that edge. Might be an indoor day today. And an indoor day it was. I ended up editing all day, and in the evening we made a plan to go bowling. And none of us had gone bowling in years, so it was kind of a funny plan. We found the Cliff Castle Casino, which was just down the road in Camp Verde, Arizona. And it was Stu's last night camping with us. He had to head back to Tennessee in the morning, so we made the best of it and had a blast. It's always hard to say goodbye to friends when they take off, but as nomads, we always say we'll see you down the road. Well, there goes Stu, taking off. Always fun to see friends on the road. Woohoo! See you later. Safe travels.
Bye, baby.
Next, I headed down the road to Cornville, Arizona. And there's a little hardware store there. I went there and I actually did find the steel wool that I was looking for. But I still needed to go to over to Cottonwood to the Home Depot. Got every kind of tape but what I'm looking for. Ram board. Seam tape. There it is. Flex tape. There we go. I just got back from Home Depot and I had to pick up some steel wool. I've got a couple mice hanging out in my house. I did some construction work over on this side of the bus a little while ago, and I never replaced the steel wool because I had to do some wiring up in these holes. So I went and got some new steel wool because I ripped out all the old stuff. This is the steel wool. Just shoving it up in those holes so they can't get in the roof. This is the only place they can get in is right here. These three little spots. So hopefully that'll help get rid of Mickey Mouse out of the house. And it doesn't work. I've got some sticky traps, and I also bought some Flex Seal tape that I'm going to cover up one other hole out on the back of the bus. All right, we've got burgers, some cheese, some buns. I like sourdough bread, so that's my sourdough bread right there. Regular old fixins. We got the mustard, ketchup, and a little relish. And we're making smash burgers. So this is step number one. We got the flat plate, which is the key to the whole thing on smash burgers, is having this flat plate. And that's just a cast iron flat plate. And we're cooking onions. Oh yeah. So this is when you kind of smash them down a little. Alrighty. So now I'm gonna flip them one more time. All right, that one's got ketchup, mustard, and a little bit of relish. And that is cheddar, like a sharp cheddar from Wisconsin. Have a good night. I'm eating burgers. CJ and I headed out to Cottonwood to Super Clean Laundry. And I like this place. It just has got clean machines, and it's, got a good environment around the outside. There's plenty of benches to sit on while you're doing your laundry and stuff. And around it goes. The laundry machine's spinning. All right, getting out the mountain bike and going to go down to the White Hills. Got to load this baby into the back of the Jeep. I got the bike in the back of the Jeep. Just had to take the tire off and kind of fold the front seat down. These Jeeps are small, man. They can barely hold a bike. But it got me here, and I'm at the trailhead. Right there is the single track going right up there. It's called White Hills Single Track. We're locked up here. Go to my bed. Little mountain biking fun time. Woohoo! This bike's not really, it's a fat tire bike, but it's still fun. It's not definitely not the right bike for this trail. You'd probably want a full suspension bike here, but we'll see. We'll have fun. Try not to bust my balls on it. It's a little windy out here today. Whew. Yeah. This must have been fun when they first made this trail. Dirt road it is. have not ridden for quite a while. And I'm feeling it. Glad I got the fat tire bike. It's kind of sandy out here. It's really an OHV road for the most part. It looks like the single track has just been abandoned. Yeah. All right, back on the single track. Yeah, worn out, man. Whew. Whew. Coming down the home stretch. You can see the car again. Yeah. All right. Not bad for a first ride in a while. Successful bike ride, and driving out of here, heading back to camp. I definitely need a bike rack for this Jeep. It's hard to maneuver the bike in here. You can only get one in here. If you ever had a friend, you'd never be able to get another one. The road's very pitted. Oh, all right. Glad I got the Jeep. Mountain biking and off-roading. Oh yeah. Woo. Woo. That was a drop. All right, there's the highway. And we're heading back to camp. I guess I'm in charge of cooking dinner tonight. All right, we're cooking up some asparagus, mushrooms with garlic, and some steaks on the grill. And we've got a beautiful sunset out here right now. right, that's it for this week's video. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe right up over here. And I drop videos every Sunday, so please follow along, and we'll see you down the road.